Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Motsepe, and today's video, as you can see, I'm folding laundry and it's been motivated by channel ya Sehata. She's doing motivation about cleaning and household, everything that you can think of in the house. So yeah, I just said let me just fold it in front of the camera because I've got all the energy. Why not do it? And please subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Dorish's channel also, so that you can be motivated. Let's get ahead and fold with me until the end. It's tiring, but hey, after watching this channel, I'm always motivated, guys. So hence I did this video. Please go and enjoy until the end of the video. Don't mind the boy, it's my videographer for today. He's always next to me. Every day when I come back to work, it's like I'm starting a new work again. He's always after me, he's always with me. So guys, let's get motivated. Let's fold the laundry, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.